Good morning, everyone. Starting my day like always, same routine. Taking Danny boy to school and go back home and clean and do all my housewife duties. And this is my morning vibe, listening to old school songs. Guess what I'm going to do right now? Okay, so I'm gonna do some asada fries. And this side, I'm doing the carne, which I already put the flavor on, like the salt, pepper, and North Suiza, and you know. And this side, I'm doing the beans. I already did the salsa and the potato, the fries are here. So I'll show you how my asada fries looks like. And this is how my asada fry looks like. See, what do we find here? Let me see. Oh, these are cute. This is why I don't like to go out with Danny boy, because he always wants to go to the bathroom. Like, always.
Oh, Mommy, I just wanted these. Look, that's cute. I just wanted those.
I need to get you some
Oh,
long sleeve shirts. Oh, this is cute.
Oh, Mommy.
Las pantuflas.
Cute. What?
You still have the Christmas vibe?
Oh, look, Mommy, the Chewbacca.
That's not Chewbacca.
What is it then?
Fortnite.
Oh, yeah.
Just made some cóctel de camarón and all the stuff here, clamato, aguacate. I am going to put some huevos to boil. Yeah, some hard eggs.
Hey, guys. You want to see my shirt?
Ah, está presumiendo la timba. Anyways, we already ate cóctel de camarón that I made, and we finished it all. So right now I'm just gonna do some eggs. Follow me. So I already put the water to boil. I'm just gonna put the huevos here. Well, I'll just drop them in. And I don't know, I'm just gonna sit for a little bit, relax, and see you in a little bit.
I just hit that one next to me, the big one.
Allergies because of the shrimp.
That's a lot. Why do you keep just putting...
I'm gonna end this vlog here, and I'll see you to the next video. Bye. You guys, I still wear my Christmas pajamas because they're like really comfortable. Like, anyways, deuces.